In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple process to download your invoice on Zendrop. Let's get started. Ensure you're on the Orders page within your dashboard. Click on Orders on your dashboard. Look for the arrow drop-down menu located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the drop-down arrow and you'll find the option to download invoice. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to select the month for which you'd like to download the invoice. Select the month you need the invoice for. For example, if you want the invoice for August, click on August from the list. Once you've chosen the month, the system will generate and download the invoice for you automatically. And that's it, your invoice is now downloaded and ready for use. By following these steps, you can quickly and conveniently download your invoice whenever needed. Enjoy easy access to your billing information and stay organized with their hassle-free download process. Happy invoicing and happy watching. Thank you guys for this, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.